Okay, me timers, grab your self-love kits. It's time to take inventory. Is discernment in it?
Mind Escape Vibe.
Welcome to Me Time with Mind Escape Vibe, where this is your time to be kind to your mind. My name is Renee, and I am a certified self-love coach. This channel is for anyone that wants to take 5 to 10 minutes to embrace, honor, and ignite love for themselves and their bodies. Am I the only one that wanted what I wanted when I wanted it, bypassing all truth, mistaking baggage for blessings? If this resonates with you, stick around. But don't forget to hit subscribe. Hang on now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. As a child, my mom helped me with discernment. A great story I can think about is when she was in the kitchen cooking. She'd be in the kitchen doing her thing, adjusting the eyes on the stove, checking the pots, just checking everything. And I'd be on the sidelines, peeping game. And she knew I was over there looking. She'd look over at me and she'd say, "The stove, don't touch it. It's hot and you're going to burn yourself." Now me, I'm in the cut like, it can't be that hot. Why can't I touch it? So immediately, you know what I'm doing. I start to plot. Eventually, I touched the stove and I burnt the tip of my right hand. So my mom, she turned around and she said to me, "I done told your butt that stove is hot. Now you done burnt yourself. Get on over here and let me have a look at it." Now that is a great example of my mom teaching me discernment. She was helping me. She was teaching me because she told me the stove was hot. She told me the outcome. I'm going to burn myself. But I wanted what I wanted when I wanted it. And the consequence, burning my fingers and this smelly gooey stuff she used to put on there to help with the tingling sensation from the burn. Because, you know, back then, when I was growing up, you didn't just drop everything and run off to urgent care.
The number you have called has been disconnected.
To the emergency room. And the lesson was I never touched that stove again. And I taught the same thing to my own children. The story of touching the stove can be applied to life. You want what you want when you want it. All of the red flags are there, blowing the horn, knocking on the door, sitting next to you, whispering in your ear, but you still go after it. The outcome is not what you thought. Mistaking baggage for a blessing. Guess what happens? Self-trust goes down. Self-doubt goes up. And it continues until your internal balance is off. And then after a while, the focus becomes the opinions of others, what people are thinking, what they're going to say. You start to say in your head, if I don't do this, they're going to say. But all of that is irrelevant because the real question is, what do you think? What do you say? And how are you loving you? It's time to restore your balance. I have 3 recommendations for you to help. The first one is you have to be willing to put in the soul work. You got to be willing to put in the work. That means acknowledging your feelings and sitting in the discomfort. No. I'm not saying you got to sit in discomfort for years and years, but you do have to sit in the discomfort to come out on the other side. Number 2, you have to release it. Why hold on to the mistake? Instead, embrace it as a life lesson. And number 3, you got to make sure that your self-love kit is out and you got your catcher's mitt. Because you got to be ready to catch that next blessing coming your way. Because it's coming. You put in the work, you've acknowledged your feelings, and you're practicing better judgment. Be ready to catch that blessing. Because I know you've heard it just like I've heard it. Redirection is God's protection. Now, if this resonates with you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. How about even dropping some of those memories in the comments? Because I'm sure everyone's mom has told them, don't touch that stove. And you like, they done told you, hey, don't go out with such and such. You like, I think I am. I can't wait to read the comments. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today, I have a guided meditation I'd like to share with you. So let's get started. All right, me timers. Thank you. Welcome to this guided meditation practice for intention setting. Make yourself comfortable. Allow your eyes to softly fall and begin shifting your focus towards your breath. Feel the slightest movement of the breath as it travels in through your nose and comes back out through your mouth. Inhale gently and peacefully, allowing the breath to be inviting, soothing, relaxing. And exhale any tension, stress, or worry that no longer serves you. You are becoming so calm within your body, mind, and soul. Is your breathing heavy, shallow, light? Just simply take note of these sensations without judgment. Now, as you continue to breathe, ask yourself what your intention was for taking some time to listen to this meditation. Perhaps to sustain your focus. Welcome and affirm your intention. Allow it to flow with the breath. Intentions are an embodiment of your desires. It has the ability to turn dreams into reality. Ask yourself, what matters most to you? What would you like to let go of? Who would you like to forgive? Setting an intention allows you to remain grounded and reconnect with what matters. Take a moment to take in another deep breath. And as you exhale, begin to move your body gently, continuing to affirm it as your body begins to stretch and gently move as you come back to your surroundings. Easy. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes.